It is October 1st, which can only mean one thing. Welcome to Vlogtober. Yep, we're gonna try to do some vlogging this month, daily vlogs, show you kind of what I'm up to, the seasonal things that we're doing, the everyday things that we're doing, but I thought it would be fun to carry you guys around with me on a slightly more regular basis. Now, the way that Vlogtober is going to work on my channel is the goal. The goal is to have a video go live every single day, but they will not always be daily vlogs. I have some regular sit-down videos. We're going to talk about goals. We're going to be breaking down action plans for those goals. I've got some nutrition content thrown in there. And then interspersed throughout the month, we are going to have daily vlogs just like this one. But October 1st means I gotta start vlogging today. So I've got my little autumn leaf earrings in. I've got my trendy sparrow. You had me at pumpkin spice lattes shirt on, sweatshirt. I've had this sweatshirt for like 5 years, 6 years. How long has it been? It's been quite some time. I don't even know if the trendy sparrow is in existence anymore because the owner of Trendy Sparrow is now busy with her XO marshmallow business, and I don't think she even does the Trendy Sparrow anymore. But this is still my favorite fall sweatshirt. So got my pumpkin spice coffee, my pumpkin spice sweatshirt, my autumn earrings, and we are going to have a Saturday. What is on the docket today? Well, we've got some cleaning and organizing type things to do. As you guys know, we were planning on moving, and so we got some stuff packed up. Now, we're not planning on moving anymore. So what we're doing is actually unpacking some of those things. So we're gonna put my theater nook back together. My husband's gonna put his hockey nook back together because hockey season starts in like 13 days. And we are going to put out Halloween decorations because it is October 1st. So welcome to Vlogtober. Welcome to October 1st. Cheers with some coffee. Let's go.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. Do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. More than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, 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 I can't believe you love me. Oh, 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 I just feel so lucky. Oh, 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 still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be than with you.
This is what my husband's working on. He packed up all of his hockey stuff. Then we decided we're not going anywhere, so now, in preparation for the new season, he's unpacking all of his hockey stuff. Check out that pile of shirts.
And rally towels.
I mean, I'm one to talk. I have a lot of Panthers gear too. I can't judge. I have plenty. Cards, signs. That's actually a really cute sign. Did you get that for Christmas? Nice. Oh, the cups. And we're watching an old hockey game.
No, this is the preseason.
Oh wait, this is today's game. Never mind. I stand corrected. I stand corrected. And then all of his stuff. Posters. So this will be all set back up by the time the afternoon is over. Guys, check it out. I don't know if you actually saw that, but I managed to figure out how to get my hair up with all the little baby hairs from my haircut without them falling down. If you noticed earlier in the video, they kept falling down. I finally managed to get my hands down low enough to make it happen so everything is in its place. Yes, it's such a small win, but it feels really, really major. Anyway, we're getting ready to go and have a little kind of sort of night on the town. We ordered pizza from our favorite pizza place for the first time in like, I don't know, forever. We have not had a pizza from our favorite place all summer, and my husband proposed it, and I was like, you know what, that sounds like a great idea. Let's do it. And then our ice cream shop is closing tomorrow. They close every like fall and winter. They're only open for the summer. So we decided to get one more round from our favorite ice cream place too. So that's our plan for the evening. Low-key evening. We've been cleaning, we've been decorating, we've been putzing around a little bit, and now we're gonna have dinner and dessert and chill the rest of the night.
It's just us two, me and you. So lucky, still can't believe you love me. Falling into
Alright, so we have our favorite pizzas that we order from this pizza place, but tonight we decided to branch out because they have a monthly special called the Oktoberfest. And I thought before I tried it, I would tell you what the Oktoberfest pizza is. Big Island blonde cheese sauce, mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, grilled bratwurst soaked in Bayside brown ale, sauerkraut, although admittedly we did omit the sauerkraut, red onion, topped with gala apple, crushed pretzel, ground mustard cream sauce, and fresh parsley. Knowing that it's beer-based, it's not exactly my jam, but I don't even know where to start. Oh my gosh. You know? I don't hate it. It's a little...
The cheese sauce is a little much.
What's the word? I think that's the mustard.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's not the cheese.
Yeah, I don't like the mustard.
It's not bad. I was worried. I can't quite explain what it is about it that I'm like,
It's the mustard that...
Is it turn off for you?
Yeah.
No. Well, we tried it. Fear not. We got some classic margarita too. But also needs to be microwaved. Ooh, lukewarm margarita pizza. Got him.
Let's worship God in this place together because He's worthy of all our praise. Come on.
just happened?
This just came out of the dryer, and it's the most wonderful thing ever.
Your exact words were, "I'm so happy."
I'm so happy. I'm so happy, guys.
I would be burning up.
Oh, it's glorious. I'm shocked that the dog